XYZ stock down 21.68% in this pre-market session of today, the 2nd of May 2025. The company, Blocking, reported or rather has downgraded its full year profit guidance as it reported disappointing results for the first quarter. So, not very long ago, this was just yesterday, it printed an intraday high of $60.5. And with that news, with the reports, we now have we had an intraday low of 4.2, and yeah, on this 1 hour chart, things have improved somewhat. Yes, they have things have improved somewhat. So the current loss is actually not obviously you can see now intraday low of 4.2 and current price of 45.76. Yeah, that's what's going on, and it says down here that I think the cash app is not doing as well. The cash app's weaker than expected profit growth is what, amongst other things, is the problem with the disappointing results. So here, this is graphically what has happened so far, what has transpired so far, and the extrapolation of the price is not such that we are going to see a rebound. We are actually going to see a consolidation with a bias to the downside. But regardless of all of that, some of the projections seem to be in place. There's still some of the we have some upper projections on this 4 hour chart. We have 54.86. That's the only thing there. Indeed, in as much as we have this extrapolation with a bias to the downside for the price, and also extrapolation to the downside for its 10 and 21 period moving averages on this 4 hour chart, does not mean that will be what is going to happen. It doesn't mean that will be what's going to happen. So it could suddenly spike and rebound. But what is absolutely certain is that a consolidation will happen at some point. It's natural. That one, we can't miss it. You know, the extrapolation we have right now is that it will consolidate with a bias to the downside, and the range is way below $45 or thereabouts, way down there. But if it rebounds, the consolidation range may vary, may be different. As things stand right now, not very long ago, we had projections of 61, as of yesterday, 61.5 to 61.5. This was, let's see, 61.53, 63.48, 64.68. Those were the projections then. They could become relevant in future. They could become relevant, just as this projection of around 59.56 was it became relevant. It was relevant when it during the session of yesterday. It couldn't go beyond that. So yeah, this is what's going on with XYZ stock. Fell through a myriad of supports, and yeah, to where it is at right now. So let's see now. I guess we can have a look at its 2 hour chart or 3 hour chart. We may have a different set of projections here, or rebound projections. Rebound projections. We may have. Let's see now what we have here. 54.86 is what we have. And just not long ago, we had 59.61, 60.15. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 hour chart and see. Let's see 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, what do we have? 54.86. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, do we have anything? We're 54.99. So the probability of these rebounds to happen is there, just simply because it's it's just plunging from those levels, But when will it happen? We don't exactly know. There's a good chance that may not be anytime soon. May not be anytime soon. Just like I mentioned earlier on, if it rebounds sharply, you know, it will most certainly consolidate. That is highly likely. It will most certainly do that, even if it doesn't. Yeah, it will do that at some point. So naturally, this is what happens. So because I mean, this is quite a climatic event. And yeah, quite a climatic event, and naturally, this is what consolidation usually follows. But indeed, also from our extrapolation here, it's projecting that it will go all the way towards Tuesday, the 13th of May, but it may not be that. That may not be the case. And as I mentioned before, it could always rebound and maybe consolidate at a higher trading, higher trading range or higher range. Yes, as the case may be. So see what you make of XYZ. It is currently now down 21.75% in this pre-market session of today, the 2nd of May. And thank you very much for watching this video.